sizing of reactor. Sizing of reactor. We will discuss that what will be the volume of reactor at specific conversion. As we know that rate of reaction is denoted by Ra, which is equal to Kca to the power n. For any general reaction, for first order reaction, the rate will be Ra is equal to Kca to the power 1. As we know that for constant density system, the Ca is equal to Ca0 into 1 minus x. This is the initial concentration, this is concentration at any time, and this is the conversion of A, reactant A. Now we can also write this in term of rate is equal to K Ca0 into 1 minus x. Now we know that this is the rate constant which depends on the temperature. This is the initial concentration, and this is the conversion of a reactant A. Now from this relation we know that rate is directly that when conversion increases, the rate of A will be decreases. This equation show that as conversion of A increases, the rate of A will be decreases. Now what is the meaning of this? Now graphically we will also write it that as conversion increases, the rate of A will be decreases. And as this is from the Ra is equal to Kca0 1 minus xa. This is xa. Suppose as conversion of A increases, the rate will be increases. Now for complete conversion, xa, when xa is equal to 1, this term will be, the rate will be 0. For complete conversion, the rate will be 0. Now as we know that from this relation we can also write this minus Ra is equal to Kca0 equal to 1 minus xa, or 1 over 1 divided by 1 minus xa. 1 minus xa is equal to Kca0 divided by Ra. Now as the conversion increases, when x tends to 1 and xa tends to 1, the Ra tends to minus Ra tends to 0. Now what will be the 1 over Ra minus 1 over Ra? That will tend to infinity. As Ra tends to 0, if this tends to 0, 1 over Ra tends to infinity. Now this term will be tend to infinity. As xa tends to 1, this term will be the 1 over 1 divided by this term will tend to infinity. Now as the graphical representation of this relation will also be like as x tends to 1 or xa tends to 1, the 1 over Ra will become infinity. It will tend to infinity. And from the CSTR relation we know that the volume of CSTR, which is Fa0 x divided by Ra at the exit of CSTR. Now this is 1 over R. This is 1 over R minus Ra into Fa0 x, which is the volume of CSTR. So as 1 over R tend to infinity, then the volume of CSTR will also tend to infinity, and it is impossible in practical world. So similarly for the PFR reaction, the differential equation is dFA divided by dV is equal to Ra. It can also be written as dFA divided by Ra is equal to dV R1 over RA is equal to dV 1 over R dV divided by dFA. Now is RA tend to is RA tend to 0, is RA tends to 0, 1 over minus RA will be tend to infinity. So the volume of PFR reactor will also tend to infinity. From CSTR relation we can also say that the CSTR relation, suppose this is the volume of CSTR, which is FA0 into X and minus RA. So this was 1 minus RA, and this was the conversion. This was the conversion. This was the FA0. This was FA0. Sorry, this was FA0. Now this the area of this. Now this area show us the volume of the CSTR. This show the volume of the CSTR reactor. As from the graph we can also say that this x is when multiplied by FA0 x, it will give us the volume of the CSTR reactor. So this was all about the sizing of the reactors. Thanks.